Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicweb.com, making this video, just updating what happened today. Alright, so let's get started. This is the chart I made on the 30th Aussie index that is gonna, first I made that it's gonna drop from here, so start dropping, and I had a couple of trades, right, for pound Aussie, euro Aussie long. But then it started to go up here, and then it started, it was hitting the TL. So I said, okay, if this TL hold again, so we're gonna drop, and if we drop, then Aussie dollar is gonna get weaker, and euro Aussie and pound Aussie will go up, and Aussie USD, Aussie yen, Aussie CAD, they will go down, right? Wherever the Aussie on the left hand side, Aussie gets weaker, those pair go down. But what happened to this, that because of the USD news, whenever USD get weaker, Aussie gets strong. Okay, so for whatever reason, but this is what happened to it. It broke the TL, and it went up, hit the 45.10 first, wobbled a little bit, and then broke that, and then it went up to 45.89. Right? It was there on my chart all along. 45.89. If we break that, we're going to be going for 46.69. These are very, very important numbers. That's what happens. And then above that, we have, that level, 78.6 is coming in over 47.26. Very powerful number. Okay, and 76. So it may continue going to the upside. Doing so, what it's doing here is making like a crab pattern. Remember, I said that it was like a girdle pattern on a 20-minute chart, but when the girdle fails, it turns into a crab pattern, and it will finish around 1.618. Let's measure that. So obviously, hold on just a minute. Okay, so you see that 1.618 is coming here, 46.69, but 78% is a little bit more to the upside, and it's 78.6% is coming here. So maybe this is the area, or maybe this is the one. Okay, it doesn't have to go all the way, right? It's just depend on the week. Tomorrow the week is going to be ending, so it may stop here and then just simply drop from here. Time will tell what will happen, right? So, but this is 61% first pullback, then 23% line, and then goes all the way up here. Usually it goes to, we are touching this 127, which is also a extended target, and it's touched already, so we very well be dropping from here. Okay, and then I will get what I want. But in the meantime, I made a chart based on this that is going to drop, so euro Aussie probably going to go up, and I made the chart for that as a girdle pattern. That not girdle, basically is like, if it is wave 1, 2, if it doesn't go below this area, then it will go for wave 3 if Aussie dollar start getting weaker. But you saw what happened, and that's why this thing went down all the way. And where it is going now, let me just quickly go there and show it to you. That, do I have it here? No. Okay. It is going to make a butterfly pattern to the downside. Same extended number 127. That's where it is going, and then probably it's going to bounce from there. You see that? So we went below this area, and then we are very close to 127 right now. Okay, so now the game is to watch if this area hold. If not, then we go all the way down to 1.618 probably, which is coming into this area, which is 56.41. This line here, it is from the monthly number 56 something, 56.49, 56 or 46. What am I saying? Oh, 56.54 is right there. See, big number. This is a very powerful monthly low, 56.54, and 56.41. This is the high. So probably it is coming down here. Okay, so I'm gonna let it go and see what happens. But the point is, so what did I do? I didn't do anything, because I was expecting that this thing is gonna bounce. It dropped below 58.27, and then now I'm in the middle of nowhere, and I'm just stuck with no trade. No, that's not the case. See, this is the beauty of watching all the indexes. One index gives you 5, 6, 7 pairs to choose from if you are right. My index, the Aussie index, went against me, right? So that all the Aussie pair were out of the question I don't want to trade them. I don't want to touch them, even though I could have, but I just, for the sake of showing that, I says, okay, drop all Aussie pairs, look somewhere else. That's what I said in yesterday's video, right? Maybe yen is gonna move, maybe something else also moving. So what I had something else in my arsenal, you can say, was this chart. This was, I made it and I gave it to my subscriber and all that, right? My subscriber watching it, that you guys have it, right, already. 17 December, long time ago, that we're gonna be dropping from here all the way down if we don't go up. Okay, so we start dropping and we were very close, and then I made this chart on the 29th. Okay, see, you see this? We start dropping here, right? And then I said, okay, at least, if not all the way down, at least we're going to be dropping to 98.72, right? So we were dropping nice and clean. And then I made this chart. Well, this is a monthly chart, okay. Actually, I have it here. And then I made this chart 29 January that, okay, it came down, it bounced back to this high, and then it started dropping. It was here when I said the news is right on the corner, and at the news, it's going to drop, and the USD will get weaker. Now, when USD gets weaker, then pair like EUR-USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and NZD USD. These four pair will go up because USD is on the right-hand side. And then three pairs, USD Yen, USD Franc, and USD CAD, will go down because USD is on the left-hand side, right? That's the case always. So, and what happened to this chart is this, exactly what I wanted, right? It came down and touched this area. So USD got weaker. So what did I do? Did I do any trade based on USD? Aussie, out of the question, it went against me, fine, thank you. USD went in my way. So what did I do based on this? Or supposedly if I had that, like also yen, right? I was actually watching yen as well, and I was expecting yen strength. That not showing, not really, but it will, but it wasn't moving much. But USD, we had good news and USD moved. So what did I do? Like I said, USD weaker, then all these pairs, four pairs, USD, EUR-USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, NZD USD, they will make you a long setup and they go up. And USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc, they will make short setup and go down. Unless the other currency is also doing something fishy, right? For example, in this case, USD was getting weaker, but also Franc was getting weaker. And that pair, USD Franc, instead of dropping, it went up, right? Because Franc was really weak. So, leave that alone, right? But here, like I said, four pair USD, EUR-USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, NZD USD. They're supposed to go up. So first trade, EUR-USD, right there on the 30th. NZD USD, right there, went up, right? And Pound USD and Aussie USD, forget it. And then I said those three other pairs, USD Franc, USD Yen, and USD CAD will go down, right? USD Yen, nice, beautiful short setup on the 30th. Drop my entry right there. All based on the USD chart, USDX chart, USD index, which I made on 29, daily chart. Beautiful USD CAD. See that? Drop, short setup, all the way down, 110 pip. Easy peasy. I had another trade just closed, NZD, and this is based on the NZD. If you go and take a look at we have earlier, like Monday or Tuesday, we had beautiful NZD news that made the NZD very strong. So NZD, went boom, and because of that, NZD USD also went up. And USD was getting weaker, NZD was strong, and they went up. NZD usually get strong when Aussie getting strong, so both got strong, right? So you see, this is how beautiful it is if you know what you're doing, right? Now here, where you go? And then, okay, on a Monday, Pound was getting weaker, so I had a couple of trades there. Pound CAD short, Pound Yen short, based on Pound weakness. So you see, this chart, I was something else I need to explain that, okay, this one, say I was wrong, right? And it went up against me. But it is just like that. Okay, what happened is that doing this analysis that, okay, if it goes down, I will go short, and obviously I'm going to get some short setup to take, right? But that never happened. So this strategy basically saved me from taking the wrong trade. A lot of people would say that, man, we are at the TL, just open a short setup. Your audio connection is gone. Okay. Hello? I think, I don't know if I'm still here or not, or got disconnected, but my internet is keep getting disconnected and coming back again. I don't know. All right. So I think I'm still alive. So I'm going to continue and let's see what happened. Okay. At the end of the video, I'll see. So basically, remember the story of Edison when someone just making a joke for him, laughing at him actually, that man, you invented how to make the you invented how to make the bulb, but you failed 99 times first, and then finally you made it, right? But then his answer was that I never failed. And, I invented one way how to make the bulb, and I also invented 99 ways how to not make the bulb. You cannot make the bulb like that. So now you don't have to try it. You just learn from me, because I already found the way that how you cannot make the bulb, right? And I found one way how to make the bulb. So he said that I was never failed. I was keep finding something, right? So similarly, here, it went up, and I know exactly where it is going. So it is not that I was wrong or we got hurt or something. It's just that we know exactly, if not Gertle is going to make a crab pattern, and knowing every step of the way where it is going and what it is doing is the key. Okay, so we went up here, see this line here, the yellow line, and then we are very close to this area. And if we stop here and start dropping, yes, I will go, and I know exactly that Euro-Aussie and Pound Aussie especially is making a beautiful long setup, which next week probably gonna start working out, and then I'll be taking those and I'll show it to you. So every step of the way, knowing what's happening is the key. That way you will save yourself from taking wrong trades. Without this strategy, it's very difficult, because how are you gonna get in? If you based on that, okay, you are at the support and you go long blindly, and it drops against you, right? So now what? Even though I could have taken these short setups, because they were beautiful short setups and they were beeping, but I didn't take it because I wanted to show you that I will avoid that, and I'll still go somewhere else and do what I want to do, and with the pairs that are going in my favor. This is going against my strategy, so I leave them alone. But let me show you how beautiful the setup was, the short setup on Euro-Aussie, which I could have taken very easily. You look at this, both of these setups, this one, and I could have easily had this trade here from 58.50 and 57.35, more than 100 pip, easy trade. Similarly, I have the same setup in Pound Aussie. All I had to do is that put the alarm on here, and as soon as the alarm beep, alarm would beep here, alarm will beep here. Both of these entries I could have taken easily, right? But it was against my strategy, against my analysis. I wanted to, have the Aussie index dropping and this pair going up. So if that doesn't happen, I went to, USD pairs, fine, thank you. And next week, hopefully this is going to bounce from here, wherever it is going to stop, and I'll get on this one. Okay, so this is how it is. So far, 4 or 5 pair, trades between yesterday and today, and I'm okay with that, right? So now USD also is doing its thing. You know, this chart, it came, it hit this high here, right? And it went up, but it's making a short setup, and hopefully it's gonna drop more. Okay, so this is how it is. Hope you like the video, and if you like it, just press the like button. All right, I want more and more people to watch and learn. Simple as that. Okay, so thanks for watching, and have a great and wonderful day.